Okay, students of class 4, after having completed our chapter number 8, let's move to chapter number 9, degrees of comparison in adjectives. So your chapter is Adjectives Degrees of Comparison. So we use adjectives to compare a particular quality between people and things. So adjectives are used to compare a quality between people and things. For example, if we say Ram is a tall boy, this is the quality tall. Tall is adjective, here is quality. Now, if we say Ram is taller than Ravi, so Ram is taller than Ravi. So here we are comparing between two, Ravi and Ram, and we have used the comparative degree. Then if we say Ram is the tallest boy in the class, again the height of Ram has been compared with in relation to the other boys of the class and said that he is the tallest. So these are the different ways of comparing. Now the first degree is positive degree. For example, we have big, happy, beautiful. Then comparative degrees like bigger, happier, more beautiful. Then superlative degree like biggest, happiest, most beautiful. For example, Rita is tall. This is in the positive degree. Meena is taller than Rita. Now this sentence has the comparative degree. Then Soumya is the tallest of them all. Soumya is the tallest of them all. Tallest is the superlative degree. Now you see just here, tall, taller, tallest. These are the different degrees, positive, comparative and superlative, which I had given here also. Big, bigger, biggest, happy, happier, happiest, beautiful, more beautiful and most beautiful. Now positive degree is used. This is the positive degree. Rita is tall. Here we have simply used the positive degree. So positive degree is used when we simply describe something or someone. Comparative degree is used when we compare two things. And superlative degree is used when we compare more than two things. So remember, comparative degree is used when we compare two things or between two individuals or two persons. Like the example I said, Ram is taller than Ravi. So we are comparing the height of Ram and Ravi. So when we compare two individuals, two persons or two things, we use comparative degree. But whenever we are comparing more than two individuals or things, then we have to use the superlative degree. Now let's see the other elements of degrees of comparison. An adjective in the comparative degree, an adjective in the comparative form is always followed by than. So remember that an adjective in the comparative degree is always followed by than, THAN, than. For example, say, this knife is sharper than that. This knife is sharper than that. Now we have used the comparative degree sharper. In sharp we added ER, so sharper. Then, THAN, then, that. So we are comparing between this knife and that knife. Between two things we are comparing, two objects we are comparing. So we have to use then after the comparative adjective. Ravi is more intelligent than his brother. Now here in this case, Ravi is more intelligent. Now intelligent is a word which has more than two syllables. Intelligent. Intelligent. So it has four syllables. So those words which have more than two syllables, we use more or most. Likewise, less or least. Ravi is less intelligent than his brother. Okay, or Ravi is more intelligent than his brother. So in these cases we saw that when we have two syllable word, then simply er and est is used to convert them into comparative and superlative degree. When we have more than two syllable word, then we use more or most. Similarly, we may also use less or least. Then during comparative degree we have to write then. So the comparative degree of adjective is followed by then, always. Next, we always add the before the superlative form of the adjective. Now before the superlative form of the adjective, we always should add the. For example, he is the fastest boy in the school. In running, we are saying that he is the fastest boy. Now you see, fastest is the superlative degree. So before that we need to put the. Then Mr. Sharma is the most sincere person. The most sincere person. Okay. So here also, before the superlative degree, the most sincere, we have the. So Mr. Sharma is the most sincere person in the department. Next, some adjectives change completely in the superlative and comparative and superlative degrees. Some adjectives change completely in the comparative and superlative degrees. Like good, in the positive degree we have good becomes better and best. Comparative degree better, superlative degree best. So good, better, best. Bad, worse, worst. So positive degree bad, comparative degree worse, superlative degree worst. Positive degree little, comparative degree less, and superlative degree least. Positive degree many or much, comparative degree more, and superlative degree most. So many, more, most, or much, more, most. Many for countable nouns and much for uncountable nouns, like many pens, many birds, many houses, many boys, because all can be counted. Much water, much liquid, okay, much rice. So these cannot be counted, so we use much. And moreover, you saw in your previous chapter also that much is used, actually much is a adjective of quantity, while many is adjective of number. Okay, so with that we conclude this introduction of the concept here, and we will do the exercises the next day when we have online class. Thank you.